Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will click in this page if you will find it as you see. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.